Okay, here we go again with another video. It's been a little bit since I've made one, but that's because I've gotten most all things that I need to buy. I mean, there's a few more things, but anyways, I got enough now to make another one, so here we go. All right. So, this is a very important USB that I got for the computer system. I didn't even know they made these, but this is called a 180 degree USB-C. We're getting a little blurry there. Anyways, so that's made to plug into USB-C and then to wrap around the back side and not having anything hanging out. Unfortunately, I was only able to find these, well, with this quality, because this is actually metal right here and there as well. I was only able to find this quality where they had the regular USB-A. I actually, one of these needed to be a USB-A, so that was awesome, but I actually needed another one with a C to a C, and they didn't have that. But yeah, so this is 6 meters, excuse me, 6 meters, 6 feet long, and so that'll go on my tablet, excuse me, on my 4K monitor, and wrap around behind it in the vehicle, so that way everything will be nice, tucked away and hidden. A nice factory finish to things. Okay, well here's the other one. I got two of them. One of these goes to power, and the other one goes to the computer itself. It goes to the computer itself for the touchscreen part. So how that whole setup is, you have the it's a mini, excuse me, it's a normal HDMI out of the computer, and then on the monitor it's a mini HDMI, and then you have the C from the monitor that goes to the A on the computer, and then the other C goes to the like 3 amp power supply, because you know that even though it's only a 15.6 inch screen, it's a 4K, so it uses a lot of power, and so it has to have its own power supply. And that's a C on that end. But like I said, they don't make a C to a C, so I had to get one of these. I had to get one of these for that. Let's see here. Oh, Cable Creations. I've got stuff from them before, and they seem to be pretty darn good quality. I'm happy with things from them so far. Oh, you know, I don't know. We just got some little stuff there. Whatever. But anyway, so this is for the power supply. And that's actually gold plated. Not that it matters for the power. When you look inside there, yeah, we don't have good light over here, but that, I guess that is gold plated. I mean, it would be dumb to not have that gold plated and have that, but this is just the power side, so that doesn't really matter. But yeah, so this is so yeah, I get from the A to the C, and you got to be really careful with all these things, because a lot of these adapters, they aren't really made for 4K resolution, and some of these aren't made for like the higher amperage devices, like a 3 amp. So you can go and you can get something like this, and then it just doesn't even work right because it's not made for 3 amps of power, and then you're screwed. So it actually does take some work and some time to just sift through everything and then find something that looks like it's a good quality, and then on top of that, making sure that you can actually power your devices correctly. So there's a lot of time involved with hooking all this stuff up. That's not even just the actual physical work of plugging things in. Like, man, all the time involved that I've done over the last, I don't know, couple months with the research, and just something as simple as making sure the USB can handle an adapter can handle 3 amps. You know, even something as simple as that. There's so many things that come into play in order to make everything work correctly. Oh, that's right. I even had to go and buy another HDMI. That sucks. This is incorrect. I needed. I would remember I was just saying how it's a HDMI mini to a full size HDMI. I am pretty darn sure that is a full size HDMI. And I spent a lot of time on there. Like I spent more time, I think, on this plug than all the rest because I needed HDMI mini to go at a 90-degree angle, but the 90-degree angle needed to go, I think they call this to the right. So when they talk about this, they talk about it sitting this way. Let me turn that. They talk about it this way and then going that way. But how it plugs in on my monitor, it plugs in like this, and I need it to go out that way, which when the back piece is folded to the monitor, because it's a portable one, so it has a little piece that sits down to hold it up and to angle it how you want it. It actually needs to sit upwards in order to tie everything correctly. So, boy, that really sucks. It's not like this is a lot of money, and I mean I can return it, but I spent a lot of time trying to find the right connection, and I thought I did, and it looks like I didn't. So I had paused the video and went over there just to double check, but yeah, that's a full-on normal HDMI. Luckily, I've only had a couple things that weren't exactly how I wanted or needed with everything that I've been ordering, so that's nice and all. But yeah, now I gotta deal with returning this thing, and I just ripped open the box. I didn't think that would be wrong, but you know, they'll take it back either way. But that's just one more thing to hassle. One more thing to hassle with. Well, I only got a little over a minute left, so I gotta be quick. These are windows for the Humvee. I was going to be holding off on spending much money on things for a little bit, but these windows wound up being put up for sale for half price. So many people sell these things for like $400 or more, and these windows are like brand new windows, but they're really, really dirty. My Lord. Jesus. And I got them because it had these. well, not just these, but like I've seen these right here go for like